Hello students, in this video I am going to explain third and fourth stanza of the poem Daffodil. Okay students, now please open your book and look at the third stanza. The waves beside them dance, but they outdid the sparkling wave in glee. The poet remembers when he was there in the woods, he was watching them. But he said the waves in the lakes, on the surface of the lake seemed to be dancing, but the dance of daffodils more lively. But the flowers were swaying in the breeze, no, they were looking like they are dancing. So what he said that their dance is more lively compared to the waves in the lake. A poet could not but be gay. Means what? He further says that any sensitive person with a poetic heart cannot resist himself feeling delighted in such a beautiful scenario. And of course, in the joyous company of nature. In the second line, he is explaining in such a jocund company. Jocund company means the company which gives you happiness, joyous company. He continued to gaze at the wonderful scene. I gazed and gazed, but little thought. By gazing means when he was looking at them, at the flowers, he thought the wealth of joy this company had given to him, he cannot measure. That this company is giving him a lot of pleasure. That he even did not want to go back from there. He was so lost in its beauty that he could hardly realize its worth then. The real worth which he realized only when he was removed far from it. When he was there, he couldn't realize, but when he was remembering, when he came back to home, he was remembering the scenario. Then the things, the beautiful scene that captured in his mind, that he comes to realize that nature has the ability to soothe and delight us in our melancholy mood. Now, let me take the fourth stanza. You just see that last stanza. This is the concluding stanza of the poem and is quite important. The poem has a clear shift from the real world full of tension, worries and so on to the world of nature where peace and happiness prevail. The very opening line of this poem, one line was there, I wandered lonely as a cloud. It shows the poet's sense of loneliness, which was not pleasant. There is then a sudden shift to the world of nature in which beautiful flowers captures his attention and he is transported to another world of bliss. The poet takes us back to the real world in which one cannot escape from day-to-day worries and stresses. But now he realizes the true worth of the beautiful sight. His mind regains calm and poise when it recalls the dance of the daffodils in a kind of utopia. The poem brings home the idea that nature is a source of eternal joy. Nature is full of beauty that captivates us all the time. The beautiful objects of nature, flowers, plants, mountains, lakes, so many other things, sun, star, moon and so on, fill our minds with pleasure. This is what that poet might have felt when he was wandering in the woods along with his sister, and when he came back to his home and he remembered all those those scenarios, and then he composed the poem. So very beautifully and a very picturesque explanation he gave through the lines, that in all the fourth stanza we have seen. It shows the true love of a poet for the nature, and therefore he is also known as a lover of nature. Just to see these lines, for often when on my couch I lie in vacant or pensive mood. Means whenever the poet was in the pensive mood, he was lying in his couch, he was remembering the beautiful flowers. They flash upon that inward eye. They means here the memory of a beautiful flower flash upon, they bring back in his memory that inward eye. Inward eye is here, this the metaphor. Already I have explained the metaphor in the first stanza. inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. These memories are becoming a blessing for the poet, that they are the blessing in his loneliness. And then when he remembers them, his heart starts dancing. My heart feels with pleasure and dances with the daffodils. His heart means he start dancing with the daffodil. So in this way, students, we have seen that this is the crux of the poem. The poet conveys the idea that nature has the power to make us come out of our melancholy or depressed mood and be happy. Thank you.